they are here. I think they look pretty good. I like the material, most of all, the matte black. Comes with a roll of 3M tape. These are the ones with the 3 vents. They are gloss black, which will be going to matte. I think I like them. I am very happy with the packaging, and yeah, custom tuning. I'm happy it's here. So let's check it out. I have the hardware in this part, and then the visors in the second part. As far as the visors, each one is individually wrapped. And the moment of truth is going to lie right here on the end. Oh yeah, that's flush. That's what I'm looking for. Their 3M tape is marked 3M. Like I said, it's chrome. I like. Alright, these might be louvers, the eyebrows for the headlights. Yes. Okay. And what I'll be doing with these as well is I'll put another strip of 3M, guess right there, and these will be painted matte black. Oh, this here is the visor for the WeatherTech. More likely I'm going to paint this matte black as well to match everything else. It's going to be matte black. That's it. Yep, this will be matte. And that's that for that order. Okay, one thing about this visor, if you're looking for a visor for your 18 and up Toyota Camry, well, WeatherTech makes this, but they only list it for up till a 2017 Camry, 07, I think it is, something up to 2017 Camry. We're gonna see how it fit. Yes, I did put $80 into it. A questionable buy, but I figured if it fits the 17, it should fit the 20. Yeah, but like I said, $80, $79.95. Yeah, 85.35 total, and it is listed for up to a 17. So we're about to see if we can't send WeatherTech some good news as far as how it fits 2020. Okay, due to the length of this one, no longer than what it is, I'm sure it is K-style. Rear spoiler trunk. Something in there. Little rip on that corner. Yes, and it is the deck spoiler, trunk spoiler. Comes with some instructions. Included is 3/8. Also included is 3M tape, alcohol wipes. It is in gloss flat. I like it. Next is to get it. Next is to sand it down and make it flat. All right. I have no doubt what this is. This rear bumper lip matte black primer is from Icon Motorsports. I've ordered something from them before. As you see, it's a pretty big box. This is the condition received. There's no loose, small pieces. Screws. They would have surely slipped out the eating. But you have this here is the protection in plastic, and they did a good job with the screws. They take them onto the package, the plastic. So myself a thumbs up for keeping it together. As a matter of fact, this here is the one I ordered on the XB40 on the 07 Camry, except it has a gray. Comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 location. And there she is. The V3 rear bumper spoiler. I think that may have came detached somehow, but figure that out. So far, the only discrepancy was this here piece seemed to work itself loose, but no big issue. Everything seems to be intact. Both of them looks pretty good. Now that was some really fast shipping, quality box, quality packing.